Hello everybody, Philip Miller here for Manjaro Linux, and today we talk about what changed in calendar week 51. As you can see, we have found a new distributor for the bladebook. This is Fred's computer shop from Denmark, and we will have a new updated hardware, as you can see here on our homepage. We integrated also the YouTube videos of the hardware itself, so you can see here what is the bladebook look like. If you click on datasheet, you see here that we have added a new CPU and we built in a complete SSD card of 256 gig, and the RAM is now 6 GB big. So it is the same book but better. Also we offer now stickers, so we have it in white and transparent. Also we have a logo, and both of them we have as alucut, plus the sticker for laptop. So get it from FSC shop. If you go to the new installation of Manjaro 1801, you can select where you live at. If you are in Paris or in Rome, there you can check out and click next. Then on the next page you have here the keyboard layout. So we keep it in English in this case. Then click on erase disk if you want to install it full on your machine. Enter your name, then you might enter your password. Then you can decide if you want to log in automatically. Choose a password for administrator or use the same. Click on next. Then you have the summary. Click on install now, and the installer will install Manjaro on your disk. This will take a while depending on your PC what you have, so up to 10 minutes, something like that. If you're all done, you can mark restart now to boot into your final system. Well, we see here the BIOS logo from the UEFI BIOS. You will greet it with a Manjaro hello. What you can see here is the applications button, which is new. So we have here integrated a nice tool where you can select, for example, browsers, or if you go more for security, you can add your key pass. Then we have a lot of tools for multimedia like video and movies, so you can install Parole, which is a nice slick tool to play your videos. Then of course we have a slicker office tools like AbiWord. If you are satisfied, click on update system and it will present you additional dependencies, for this case for Chromium. So you can install Paperflash to have all the Flash options on the home pages as well. And as you can see here, it will automatically update also Thunderbird, which is added new since the new release. And your password and PAMAC will do the rest. It is integrated to Manjaro Hello based on the CLI we added to PAMAC itself. You can now create simple tools using the API of PAMAC. So we are here now on the GNOME desktop, which is also released yesterday. So you can simply change your background. So click on background itself, and you have here a nice collection of all the backgrounds we added to our latest release. Simply pick one and see how it fits on your desktop. Also you can change your location. If you're somewhere else, you can also add privacy to your desktop. So if you want to lock your screen, you can add it automatically. So if you have location services on, it will detect your privacy and where you are, though most likely turn it off. On the power section you can see here automatic suspension is on, and you can change the resolution here, and if you have a high screen 4K, you can even scale the double. Click on apply and everything will be larger. Since this doesn't support that, we revert the changes here. Then you can also install additional applications. Simply write PAMAC and select add remove software. PAMAC itself will start, and then you can see here all the installed packages. If you click on preferences, enter your password. On the live session it's Manjaro. And there you can update your settings, so you can automatically download the updates in the background, so you don't have to wait for the updates. As soon as PAMAC will tell you there are updates, they are already downloaded. Then you can also change how often you might check for updates. In the hours section, they can add the support for the Arch user repository and even enable to check for updates for you. And you can select your build directory on the cache slider. There you can change how many package versions you want to keep, and even you can clean your cache. If you simply type GIMP, for example, it will search the package repos. Simply click on GIMP, click on apply to install it. So here you have the summary of all the packages you might install with GIMP. Click on commit and PAMAC will download and install all the dependencies for GIMP. When that is done, PAMAC will tell you he's finished with a nice little pop-up, which you can see in 2 seconds. Then you can close PAMAC, go to applications and start GIMP. We also updated the KDE edition to the latest version, so we have added nice features to the system settings. So integrated is all the Manjaro tools. We have the user manager, you can simply add new users. Then we have the hardware configuration tools. We updated all the kernels to the latest versions, so you can select here. If you don't know what changed in a particular kernel, you click simply on changelog and you find additional information about those there as well. Then you can change your keyboard settings as you need. Simply select your language and you can test. Also, we have added additional language packages, so we have translated to your native language. You locally can change the time, date and additional users to be net. Also, we have added a lot of themes, so we have desktop themes, breathe, breath and oxygen, although for the mouse cursors and splash screens. All those can be changed. If you're more in colors, you can simply change the pattern there. For example, breathe dark will be a little bit bluish. You can even change the fonts if you like to do so, or the icons. So since we have here still the greenish looking icons and we went blue, we also select the breathe dark to match the theme color. And now we have the new icons loaded. Some applications might load it later on, so we might have a little glitches there. So we have a lot of settings as you can see here. So KDE is a lot of adjustable. You can here select desktop effects if you like to do so, or change the behavior. You can use the corner edges of your screen. And for startup and lookup, you can even change here the configuration of the login manager. So change themes here, most likely have to add your passwords to actually apply those settings. So we have here background settings and login sessions. So everything here is highly customizable. If you have a mobile phone, you can even connect and sync your applications with your devices, or change the settings for your power needs. So to install applications KDE, we have Octopi. So we see here we have a lot of packages you can choose from. So let's go for GIMP again. So simply double click or right click to add it, mark it install. Then you also see you can add additional dependencies, and if you click on apply and click on yes, Octopi will also install all the packages similar to PAMAC or Pacman in a terminal. After the installation is done, you can simply start your new application, in this case GIMP, from the start menu, which is in the left corner. You can simply type GIMP and select it. So let us know what you think about the changes made to Manjaro itself, and what you think about the new release of the stable ISO images, and leave us your comments. See you next time. Bye.